Are you looking for a government-approved training organization? Then know the name Aimfill. The name will fill your aim. We are the National Skill Development Corporation funded organization with 100% free government-sponsored courses and with NSDC certification. Why Aimfill is number one in India? Aimfill is approved and funded by NSDC Government of India. We are the only campus conducting 100% free and sponsored courses by Rural Development Government of India and the state government jointly and pay your fees after the placement scheme. The course for the day is Cabin Crew and Flight Dispatcher by Aviation and Aerospace Sector Skill Council, Beauty and Wellness Sector Skill Council, Fashion Designing, Acting, Modeling, Hotel Management, BCom CA, ACCA, IT and many more. Remember to check NSDC approval before joining any skill training courses. Avoid the risk, save money and time. Join Aimfill International campus now.
Aimfill International fulfills your aim.
Aimfill International.